I've never been interested in production or direction, writing. एक्टिंग में हमेशा दिलचस्पी रही है, बचपन से लेकर अभी तक, बुढ़ापे तक भी यही चलेगा। सेट पर जाती रहूँगी एंड आई होप दैट आई विल वन डे आई विल डाई ऑन अ सेट एट 80। मुझे आइटम नंबर्स करना, मुझे डांस करने का बहुत शौक है एंड आई विल कंटिन्यू डूइंग दैट। प्यार और फिल्मों में कुछ सिमिलैरिटी नहीं है, और अगर एक औरत प्यार करती है या शादी करती है किसी से, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो लोग उसे और नहीं चाहे। मैं एक्चुअली इमरान खान के साथ होली खेलूँगी, क्योंकि सैफ जो है बुलेट राजा की शूट कर रहे हैं लखनऊ में।
The 14th chapter of Vicky Frames 2013. I'm delighted to see all of you once again this year. Before we begin this conference, we at Vicky would like to dedicate Frames 2013 to the memory of Yash Chopra. Your remarkable talent and unparalleled vision and leadership are keenly missed today and every day. And I'd like to take a few seconds of silence in his memory.
ऑब्वियसली कि मैं यहाँ पहले दिन पे आई हूँ, मुझे यहाँ इनवाइट किया गया था सिर्फ लैम्प जलाने के लिए, एंड आई एक्चुअली रीच राइट इन टाइम टू लाइट द लैम्प। पवाई बुलाना एक एक्टर के लिए बहुत बहुत मुश्किल होता है। मैं बैंड्रा में रहती हूँ, मुझे कम से कम 2 घंटा लगा ट्रैफिक में, बट दैट्स फाइन एज लॉन्ग एज आई रीच इन टाइम। एंड करण जी ने मुझे बुलाया and there was senior bureaucrats, Disney के जो head थे, everyone, they all called me and invited me. I'm happy I was in time to light the lamp. And film industry की हूँ, film industry की लड़की हूँ, तो विकी फ्रेम्स के पहले दिन पे आना, आप लोगों से मिलना, I think it's part of me. मेरे रगों में दौड़ रहा है films, so obviously I'm really happy कि I could be a part of this. I've never been interested in production or direction, writing. एक्टिंग में हमेशा दिलचस्पी रही है, बचपन से लेकर अभी तक, बुढ़ापे तक भी यही चलेगा। सेट पर जाती रहूँगी एंड आई होप दैट आई विल वन डे आई विल डाई ऑन अ सेट एट 80।
करीना, आपने सुना होगा आइटम नंबर जो फिल्मों की जान होते हैं उनको एक कैटेगरी में रखने की बात हुई है, इस पर आपकी थोड़ा पार्टी है ना?
आई थिंक दैट्स डिसीजन बाय व्हाट द सेंसर्स हैव डिसाइडेड, बट मुझे आइटम नंबर्स करना, मुझे डांस करने का बहुत शौक है and I will continue doing that. Song and dance is a part of movie business and especially Hindi cinema की बहुत ही important part है. Without it is, I mean, जब आप थिएटर में जाए तो जब फेविकॉल बजता है या शीला स्क्रीन पे आती है, आई थिंक जो चहल पहल थिएटर में होता है तो जान में जान आ जाती है। पहले भी अगर देखने जाए तो चाहे वो वहीदा जी हो या शर्मिला जी हो, they were all married and they all acted in films like Daag and Amar Prem and Guide. So it was never, ये जो ट्रेंड है ये आप लोग ने ट्रेंड बनाया है, पर ये पहले से चलते आ रहा है। प्यार और फिल्मों में कुछ सिमिलैरिटी नहीं है, और अगर एक औरत प्यार करती है या शादी करती है किसी से, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो लोग उसे और नहीं चाहे, और वो स्क्रीन पे जो उनका कैरेक्टर है उनको नहीं चाहे। तो ये बहुत अलग अलग एस्पेक्ट्स हैं एंड वी शुड नॉट ट्राई एंड क्लब देम। एंड वैसे भी प्यार करना और शादी करना कुछ गुने की बात तो नहीं। मैं एक्चुअली इमरान खान के साथ होली खेलूँगी, क्योंकि सैफ जो है बुलेट राजा की शूट कर रहे हैं लखनऊ में। एंड सो वील भी, हम लोग, हमारे प्रोड्यूसर भी यहाँ विकी फ्रेम्स में है, तो वील भी शूटिंग उन्होंने ऑफ नहीं दिया है, आई डोंट नो वाई, बट इट्स ओके। काम करना तो अच्छा लगता है, हंसी मजाक साथ में करते रहते तो दिन भी गुजर जाता है। सो आई एम एक्साइटेड। ऐसे कुछ पर्टिकुलर प्लान्स नहीं है एज सच फॉर होली।
Sabir, just while walking here, told me that Vicky Frames was a place where he actually had his script for Kabul Express and tried desperately to find a buyer. Was he successful? How difficult was this journey? Let's start with you, Kabir.
2001 to 2003, I was doing a lot of work in Afghanistan, and so, you know, quite logically, my first script was based on my own experiences as a documentary filmmaker in Afghanistan, and that film was Kabul Express. I used to work with a television company which is now shut down. I had nothing to do with that. Through them, I used to sort of try and, you know, arrange a pass, because there was no way I was going to pay, I think it was 5,000 rupees at that point in time, for a pass. And so I would come and with my script of Kabul Express in my bag, because Ficky Frames was the place where, you know, all the Karan Johars and all the producers used to be. So,
damn, I didn't meet Kabir Khan then.
And so this, you know, those 3 days of Ficky Frames used to be very exciting, because you saw a lot of producers, and they were, when you came to these kind of sessions, they all spoke the correct things. That they were all looking for new scripts and exciting scripts, and you know, I thought, like, by the end of the first Ficky Frame, I said, okay, by the time the next Ficky Frame happens, my film will be on.
Yeah, well, Kabir had the name. Kabir definitely had the most popular name. His name is Khan, and he was a director. But it didn't help really initially. But Sujoy, you were a Ghosh.
Yeah, I was more like unknown. No, but unlike Kabir, I didn't know this Ficky existed. You know, I was out there begging on the street with my script. So I'm feeling a little left out right now, because I could have come here and I could have got a producer like you. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. And I could have made my film, but unlike this, I didn't know this Ficky existed. So I sort of wrote a script, and I went knocking on each door. And it took me around 3 years to make a film. But with all honesty, you know, it was just part of the process, Karan. You know, I never expected it to be easy. I never expected it to people to just say, there you are, let's make your film. It was, you know, I knew they were not going to believe me. I had no experience in filmmaking. But I just kept at it. You know, I just kept at it. And I think, and I just hit Mr. Nandi after a while. I think when he got bored of seeing me every day, he said, let's just make your film. That's how I did it. You know,
You hit Mr. Pratish Nandi?
No, I just hit him in terms of not like punch hit, but you know, like hit the sort of bullseye kind of a hit.
And that's easy with his
Not
head.
really, but you know, shining.
Yeah.
No.
It's an easy target.
No, so Mr. Nandi was very kind enough to place some money on me and help me to make my film. But it was a very tough journey, and I think that's what it is. You know, even when I got my first job at Reuters, it was even, I had to go through 900,000 million interviews, and it's okay. It's part of the
So would you say, like, and I'm going to ask Gauri this, would you say from what we understand, from what Sujoy just said, that how much of it is talent-based and how much of it is destiny? The penetration of the art of Tanna into the film fraternity. What is your thought on this, Gauri?
Well, definitely, I think both. You do need some amount of destiny to get where you are. With my name, I would have had to just be a cop's daughter or something, so there's absolutely no chance. So yes, but I took my route through through advertising. So I think that kind of made it slightly easier than straight away crashing into the film industry. So got myself into advertising, made ad films. So also the process of filmmaking, and you meet all kinds of professionals in terms of DOPs and art directors and all, who are also working in the film industry. So that kind of was a great training ground to somehow get into the film industry. But I think it is the story and the idea that I think we came with finally, and which has finally found its place. It's because of that. I think what we had to say and the stories that we wanted to tell were also, the timing was right, and people were sort of ready to experiment and give people like us a chance. And I think, and we were there at the right place at the right time.
You had very many women-oriented films, but they were meant to promote. I Will Remain Silent was a virtue for a woman. And after that changed, and after, like you say, it was a landmark, cult film definitely, but then you had in its wake films which were completely mad, because they were Zakhmi Aurat, or Insaf Ki Devi, or Main Jeene Nahi Dungi, or Main Marne Nahi Dungi, और मैं ये नहीं करूँगी और मैं वो नहीं करूँगी. So I always say that first we had Rambos and then we had Rambolinas, but nothing to do with the complexity of what it means to be a woman. It was largely left to parallel cinema to show the woman in any kind of complexity. And it is only recently, if you look at the films of Vidya Balan, 5 roles back to back, all of them unconventional and all of them being successful at the box office, definitely is 2 steps ahead.
The advertiser presumed that a woman will not watch news. In fact, more than sexual independence, I think what scares a conventional Indian mindset is a woman with brains. That's really a weapon which no one else can control, and I think that's really what we need to look at. When you do an item number, you show a woman who is mindless. That's my problem. It's not really my issue about how much, whether she's wearing, how high her choli is or how high her skirt is. The problem is you show her as mindless, she's dancing to someone else's tune. And I think that's the message that goes out, which is worrying to me.
I mean, it's how you shoot an item song. In B.D. Jalendra shoots it well, right?
I love that.
It's brilliant. And for a woman's right to be bawdy, to be naughty, to be sexual, is also, you know, I mean, come on. I mean, otherwise it's a very boring word. For the male to look at it and just sort of, the camera sort of, you know, exploring the interesting parts, you know, that's the problem.
My contention is, under the guise of saying that this is a celebration of sexuality, actually you're totally surrendering to the male gaze. Because when you look, the business of cinema is the business of images. When you see fragmented images of a woman's bosom, a swiveling navel, a swinging hip, you rob the woman of all autonomy and you make her surrender to the male gaze. And I think that's the difference. And I think this difference will only come when leading ladies and heroines themselves understand that there is a fine line between a celebration of sexuality and a surrender to the male gaze. I think that needs to be tackled under the guise of the liberated new Indian woman.